Today I'm going to show you how to create this super easy glam look. I'm going to start by prepping my skin with some moisturizer. I'm prepping my eyelids with a little bit of foundation. As a base for our eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this cream in the shade Taupe, focusing this on the lid. With a blending brush, I'm going to go around the edges and soften this out. I'm going to be using one of my favorite palettes, the Master series. Taking a light reddy brown shade, we're going to apply this all over the base with a blending brush. And then just soften the edges with a slightly larger blending brush. With a brick red tone, I'm going to apply this all over the lid. And with that blending brush again, soften the edges up to the crease. Switching now to a pencil brush, I'm going to apply the black eyeshadow on the outer edge. Use your pinky for support on your cheek and focus this on the outer third. With a slightly lighter brick red shade, I'm going to blend the edges of the black in with the lid. Now you can leave the look like this, or you can apply some glitter. I've already applied my primer and foundation off camera. And now taking this amazing brush, I'm going to apply some baking powder along the jawline. We're going to leave this on until the end. With this warm bronzy tone, I'm going to bronze and contour my skin. Next, I'm going to apply highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones with this amazing fan brush. Blush is next. I'm going to mix this blush with a little bit of the eyeshadow that we were using, and this will bring the entire look together. And finally, I lined my lips, applied this beautiful lipstick, a little bit more of mascara on those lower lashes, and there you go. A super easy look, perfect for any special occasion. Just a little side note, it looks like there's more glitter on one side, but it's just the way the camera's picking it up. Don't judge me. Okay, see you next time.